What is going on, everybody? It's Jordan Johnson here, Johnson Alpha Capital. Today is Monday, April 6th. We are going into the New York session. First and foremost, I hope you all had a great weekend. Looking for another good week in the markets. As I told you all, especially during this pandemic right now where a lot of people's at home, a lot of people got more free time. I do want to put out more content for you all. Not a lot of dry content either. I want to put out like some like what I'm doing, what I've been trying to do, some live trading videos, where you all can see me trade on my live account, see me analyze the markets. And as always, if you all do like the content, like, share, comment, share with other traders. Let me know you like it. If I keep getting good feedback, tomorrow, what I'm probably gonna be tomorrow or Wednesday, do another live video. Kind of like it's when I'm going through the markets, taking trades on my live account. Kind of get a look inside my brain, my thought process. But I'm gonna probably send out just a Zoom link in the Telegram group. Kind of first come first serve. Whoever gets on first, just get on. Look at the markets. I can answer questions, things of that nature. So if you are not in the Telegram channel, I suggest you do join. It's 100% free. I post a lot of my trades in here, wins, losses, trade setups, entries, tips, strategies, you name it. I put it in here. It's 444 people in the group. That number fluctuate. It was as high as 500. I think I give a good message. A lot of people kind of talk about trading as if it's like get rich quick, something like that. I try to give people the realistic point of view of trading, the numbers, the mathematics behind it, just everything. But I ain't gonna bore you all. Let's get into the markets. First thing I'm looking at this week, you all, Euro Pound. I'm actually looking at a sell setup on Euro Pound now. So I was in a Euro Pound trade. I actually posted an idea for Euro Pound last week. Buy setup. I was looking at us going back up here to attack the top. We did initially go up. Now we're coming down. This move down. I think we got one more move down. So let me just post update idea. Just let people know this is dead. Canceled. So I was in that trade. Let's jump back over to Telegram. Euro Pound. Where did it go? So this was a trade that I was in, had a good entry. I think I was up like 50 pips or something on it. Protected my stops. Came in, I added another position somewhere here, went up my favor. Came back down, stopped me out for like a net $100 trade, something like that, nothing crazy. So now my bias is back on the short. I do want to see us go short on Euro Pound, kind of into my blue box. I got a kill zone down here. I believe it's like 180 pips away, probably from current levels. Yeah, it's about 200 pips. Let me drop down to this 15-minute time frame. I think I got a setup that I've been looking for on Euro Pound, actually. Yep, so I got a setup on Euro Pound now. I had this orange box here. I was kind of waiting on a test of this orange box here, and I really do like that. I'm gonna wait to see how this candle here land over 5 minutes mark. If I like what I see, I am going to get short on Euro Pound. Most people, if you don't know, I'm a swing trader. Of course, as you can probably see, use all technical analysis. I am an Elliott Wave practitioner. So I do a lot of my core basis of trading is going off the Elliott Wave theory. I've been studying Elliott Wave for probably about 4 years now. I would say I've been dabbling it with it for 4 years, but for 3 years strong, I really been going hard and studying it for a really good 3-year basis for sure. Yeah, but we are gonna be looking down. So let's jump over to the MetaTrader, where it is. is the MetaTrader 4 platform. So I do all of my analysis on. Why is this like this? I do all of my analysis on TradingView. When it's time for me to trade, I do jump over to my MetaTrader 4 platform, and this is why I don't love MetaTrader, because it gives me, it's not as user-friendly as TradingView, but I do like MetaTrader over a lot of other trading platforms. MetaTrader is actually a pretty good, simple platform to use. So what was we looking at? We was looking at Euro, Pound. A lot of people ask me about brokers. Actually, last week, was it last week? I think last week, I switched brokers. I'm with IG. IG's been pretty good so far. The reason I went with them, I was with TD Ameritrade and Forex.com before. IG's a lot cheaper than them. I'm still U.S. regulated. I'm kind of big. Like, if you trade in a decent sized account, I would think you'd want to be with a U.S. regulated broker, just to where you know your money's safe. However, if you're only doing like little flip accounts and stuff, ain't nothing wrong with. Having the higher leverage. I thought I'd saved my template. My goodness. There it is. Alright, so what am I looking at? I'm looking at Euro Pound 15-minute time frame. Just looking at a potential short. We're just looking at this supply area right here. Supply resistance. So we'll see what we get her over the next 3 minutes. So looking at this Euro Pound short. Let's look and see what was the dollar doing. I had the dollar long term. I kind of got the long term. I was looking at the dollar stopping her in this kill zone, going down. This move up is looking rather impulsive and not as corrective as I was anticipating. So I would not be surprised if we go up here to tag the top. I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar managed to go tag the top before we come back down. So just move this up and adjust this, but I am definitely looking to go higher in the dollar on the intraday time frame. As you can see, it looks like we're about to break out of this flag. It's not really a flag. But let's see, let's jump to dollar Swiss, see if we see any setups. Average dollar yen. This is how I was looking at dollar yen, you all. It is starting to look kind of more impulsive, but I was looking at this move up as an A, B, and I was hoping that price found some type of resistance around this area here. As you can see, we did break above that. So I can count 5 waves. That's either going to be 5 waves up in C to make this structure ABC for us to go down, or this structure here is already complete and this is 5 waves starting to go up, and we might just get another correction to go back up. Don't really know how I want to play that yet. Euro dollar. Again, because I was thinking that the dollar was going to reverse at kind of the current levels going to last week, I was kind of forecasting for euro dollar to go up. But same as the dollar index, you all, we might go and we might just keep going lower to take these lows. That's kind of a more accurate trend line, but we'll see how price reacts here. Let's go back to Euro Pound. Gave us a doji. So because of the doji, it is indecisiveness. I am going to be a little bit more cautious. I am going to wait and see what this next 15-minute bar looks like. Euro Swiss did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Last week I was looking at Euro Swiss at this current level here. I thought we was going to come up back into this blue box area. As you can see, we did. I didn't take the trade just because I wasn't in love with. I mean, it wasn't that huge of a move. I do want to try to catch the bigger moves. I'm a trend continuation trader, so I try to trade in the direction as the trend. Let's see, Euro Swiss. See what it looks like on this 4 hour. Real choppy going down. Yeah, we got this set up. That's only a 27 pip stop. .479. I already got my extensions applied, so that's no problem. Let's just zoom out a little bit. I like this Euro Swiss. I do. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I like this Euro Swiss going down. Ooh. I mean, it's been bearish for so long. And just so you all know what I'm doing, I'm zooming out. I'm trying to find some type of relevant structure. I don't really see none. I really don't see any relevant structure on this chart. So like, because I don't see a lot of relative structure on the chart, kind of got to try to like find some, create some. And I just found one. Perfect. That's perfect. What's that? 1.03949, so 1.03950. Let's go back to the 1 hour. 03950. Because I already got the confirmation, I will probably go ahead and short this. It's not a big. What is that? See, like it's I'm risking. That's just I like making it even numbers. I'm risking about 30 pips to make about 160. I like that. 30 pips to make 160. So let's go back to MetaTrader Euro Pound. Euro Pound's giving me what I like as well. If I had to pick between Euro Pound and Euro Swiss, or in Euro Swiss. Yeah, I really like this Euro Swiss setup. I think I like it a tad bit better than Euro Pound. Look again at this 4 hour. I like them both, to be honest. I do. I like them both. Only problem is that's 90 pips above. You know, just to play it safe. That's why I play this structure here with stops above that. So I can see this going back up one more time to retest that. But it don't matter because I'm gonna put my stops above that high, so it really, it really don't matter. Euro Swiss Euro Pound. Let me rate these just so I don't forget. This is a real good trade though. Real good trade setup. Real good. Real good. So what would I do in a situation like this? I will publish it. Yeah, I'll share it on the 4 hour. Trying to zoom it in, but it's 4 hours. It's a good chart. So zoom in. Da 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 da. And I'm pretty sure some of you are probably wondering the bigger picture that I was looking at. Let me zoom just back out to the daily so you can see it. Like I said, I would probably have to go to the weekly. Yeah, so, I mean, don't worry about it, but it is a bigger structure at play that helped me come up with that level. So we got that trend line there. Technically hasn't been broken on the 4 hour, but you can wait for this trend line to be broken too if you just want to be extra precautious. I'm not gonna put that there. I'm just gonna write, keep it real brief. Just looking for a bearish wave. Just looking for a bearish wave, you all. Nothing crazy. We're in a bearish trend. Yeah, I can't have it. That's a pretty good trade setup. Euro Swiss sale. Let's publish it. Short. I'm looking for a trend continuation. I'm looking for a trend continuation sell set up into my blue box. Wave short trend. Publish it. Take the link. Share it with my good people on Telegram. That's Euro Swiss. Or Euro Pound. Same thing kind of on Euro Pound too. You are only looking at this kind of more on a 15-minute time frame. You see, that's why I think it looks like we probably gonna attack this area just a tad bit more. Nothing's wrong with that. If I can get a good look on this hourly. I do got a kill zone here. Only thing there though, we can go up a little bit more. So I'm gonna hold off on publishing that. AeroCat. I didn't really see no dollar. So I see Euro weakness. It looks like Euro weakness just pretty much across the board. Pound dollar. Tournament opportunities. I was definitely looking for buy setups on pound dollar. WXY. I believe this to be a wave 4. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I can explain it a little bit better. So you see this move up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do want to see a move into this blue box. I was waiting for us to come tap this level of support. Even close beneath it like we did. WXY structure, we're making up this wave 4, as you can see here. Let's get some fibs on. Let's measure wave 2 to wave 3. Only thing is, real shallow retracement. I do like to see this 38.2 touched. .236. I don't want it to be black. We hit the .236 perfect. It's not as strong. It's torn. It's definitely possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Us to make one more move down. We can definitely make one more move down. Let me see what this is giving me. It's actually a pretty clean sell setup, if you ask me. I like it. Where's my counter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not gonna be. Don't anticipate it to be nothing too crazy. Where my 38.2 go? I think I deleted it. That's probably where I would target it to. Let me re-delete the 23.6. That's about 100 pips or so. A little bit more. So see how this hour candle closed. Let's drop down to the 15. I don't know how much I love that setup, to be honest. I don't know. Because I could easily see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smaller time. That's the thing with Elliott Way, man. It's so I love Elliott because it lets you know where you're at the trend. It's proper guidelines, rules, structures, just to where you kind of not lost. But once you get that down, I form a bias. It's just all about trying to turn it into money, trying to make a trade. So we got 46 pips from the high. Where's my 38.2? So I just say you risking, that's round numbers, 50 pips. 1942. I like it. 193 pips. Yeah, pound strong right now. So let's see. Let's see. So that's definitely a nice candle. I definitely like the setup. And what I would do, I would just target this 120-100 area. Look at dollar CAD. I was looking for sales on dollar CAD. It's just so choppy right now. New Zealand and the Aussie is strong. It's looking like we was gonna break out of this. It's looking like we're gonna break out of this flag. That's what it's looking like. We are approaching a strong area of support. Strong area of supply and resistance. So definitely want to watch and see what we do. See if we do break this. We have a nice run from this bottom here. So probably look for a correction to get long. That's what I would look for. It's pretty strong for some type of correction. Just to get long. Yeah. That's what I would look for. Excuse me. Let's see. Aussie, pretty much same thing. Aussie and New Zealand strong. I look at pound New Zealand. Like I said, so I would expect pound Aussie to be going down as well. Euro New Zealand's getting beat up. Euro yen. This trade I took on Euro yen was actually very good. I need to clear the chart. I sent it out to the group. It hit targets. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. KN doing. Oops. That's KN look like it's setting up for a good buy. Let's check on the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get us a nice WG. I can definitely see us coming back up to retest these highs. It's 130 pips or so. 130, risking less than 30. I like it. I do. I like that. I like looking at multiple time frames. I like to try to get an understanding of the big picture. So the trend is definitely down. One more move up to attack the high. 1, 2, 3 here. Down, down, Only thing is, this looks very clear to us going up. Around the 79.5 area, actually. I like that. $79.5. I like it. Let me see what the shift Swiss yen is doing. Swiss looks like it. I should have took this trade last week and hit my target. So, where I thought it was gonna go. I was looking at it from this flag. We went up. 1 hour. Let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How far is it away? 112, 1. Yeah, Ozzy's killing the yen right now. Definitely going up to attack those highs. So let's go back to Euro Pound. Euro Swiss. I'm gonna get short on Euro Swiss for sure, for sure. Pound's just not as strong as the Swiss at this current moment. Let's look and see. Dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD. CAD and Swiss is both kind of strong right now. Looking at this as possibly a setup. I can see that. A dollar CAD short. I don't know about that, you know. Let's draw this trend line, make it more accurate. Let's see. Let's get all of this off this mess. You can definitely see us coming down to retest this low. Coming back down, retest this low, go back up, then go back down. That's a good little lick down. That's about 200 pips. I don't know. Dollar looks strong. I could get weak, I guess. Look at the pounds doing. It's doing that alternate. It's important. I don't know if you all can tell, but just kind of like it's probably. I know it's kind of probably boring to a lot of you. Probably it's not still around. But as you can see, as I'm just kind of trying talking to myself, looking at the markets, I got alternates like if price do this, then price to do that. If price do this, then I do it. Like when I trade, I look at the markets. It's kind of like playing chess. I try to be a couple steps ahead of the market. I even like football. I was a linebacker in college, through high school and college, kind of. Where I ran the defense, so like in charge of audibles. Just thinking like if this team come out in this formation, I might need to check to this. If the team do this, I need to check to that. So same approach with trading. Like, so I know like if the market comes to this level and it gives me this candlestick reversal pattern or it does that, then it's just the type of trade I'm looking at. It's just how much I'm willing to risk. This is going to be my reward. Blah, blah, blah. It's not the most exciting thing about trading, but it's very essential to having success. Pound might be giving me a buy setup on this 15-minute chart though. Man, I really like the KS setup too. I really do like that. How many pips is that? What's about 50 pips? No, 25. So yeah, oil. What is the we gap down in oil, so we're probably gonna see another small run down. So on the hourly, and yeah, we gap down. Don't necessarily want to buy the cat right now, although that is a nice 4-hour. I think we probably gonna go down. So it looks nice, but about dollar Swiss. So Swiss isn't that not that strong. Probably I was looking at dollar Swiss like this. Dollar Swiss, pound Swiss, back to euro Swiss. Alright, so we'll put a lot on it. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We'll put a lot. Euro Swiss. Why did it come up with that? That's strange. MetaTrader 4 on the Mac is so janky. I don't know why I keep doing that. I might have to do the trade on my phone. I really don't. I'm only really using this MetaTrader 4 on the desktop just to kind of, I guess, just show you all. Let me Euro Swiss. And I'm already losing. I just got. You know why it's doing that, you all? Because I can't. I didn't update. So let me view. Give me a second. Let me fix this. With the broker, these pairs are technically not symbols. I gotta hack because it's complicated. Show. There we go. That's why I was doing that, you all. So it wasn't MetaTrader. It was my fault. And that's not the right part. Where are you at, Euro Swiss? Euro Pound. I showed all the pairs. I sold it on my phone already, but there we go. Euro Swiss .fx. I didn't get the. I mean, it's a few pip stop inch, but anyway, I got stops above here, so it's at about 30 pips. Make it 8.2. And I guess every time I restart my computer, I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm risking 30 pips, $300. I need to take a screenshot of this too. Remember from last video, I take screenshots of all my trades that I enter. There we go. Excuse me. So this is. And then when I get off of the Zoom, I will put them in my journal. I got a trading journal. You all should have one too. Keep track with your trades, what works, what don't work. Euro Pound. I don't like what I seen from Euro Pound, but I am short Euro. Oh, that's why I gotta go put my targets in. Blah, blah, blah. Where are you at, blue box? There we go. 103. Just make it 1.033. Do 1.033. Well, you know what? It's easy for me to just do it on my phone. I love the MT4 mobile app. That's one of the reasons I keep it. 1.033. And just to show you what the reward will look like. If we get down there, 220 pip win. Risking 30 pips for 220. $2,268 on one position. Okay, MetaTrader. And we want to give me trouble when I'm making a video for you all. There we go. Alright, so set that, forget about it. I feel like I'm confident in my stop above this half. It stops me out, that's fine. On to the next trade. So that's Euro Swiss, Euro Pound. For Euro Pound, I'm gonna want to see us come into this level more and then give me some rejection. Pound dollar bass looking good. I need to take it. I need to pull the trigger. Let's see, dollar Swiss, euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen. What's dollar yen doing? I might short this 15-minute. I might short that. I like that setup actually. I do. I like a dollar yen short. He's on an hour. See, I told y'all, ABC is stronger in post than what I would like, but uh, I don't know. I'm gonna stay away from it. I'm gonna stay away from dollar yen because I think the yen's pretty much losing strength across the board. Dollar Swiss, what was I? Pound dollar. This is what I was looking at. This is the. I'm gonna see how this hour candle close. Either way, I should probably take my shot here. I should take my shot here because it's such a beautiful trade, honestly. If I lose, I lose. But it is such a beautiful trade because it's a beautiful structure. I mean, potential 400 pip trade. I mean, home run. That's one home run trades if it hit. But actually, I'm aiming for 400. So if I just get 100 out of it, hey, I'll take it. Dollar cat. Probably heard a little one in the background getting screamed at. Let's see. And he says it's people looking. It's like, man, that's not fun. It's not trading. You know, a lot of people look at trading as it's supposed to be real fun, real fast paced. Trade. Big lots. Risk your whole account. Um, Honestly, it's kind of nothing like that. It's Euro yen. Trading sometimes is boring. Just kind of waiting on setups to happen. Euro CAD. That's kind of a good setup on this 15-minute time frame. Like I said, I'm not bought into CAD strength. CAD seems like it could be stronger than the Swiss. Did we look at Euro CAD? What did Euro CAD look like? Let's see. Euro CAD look pretty decent. Euro CAD look pretty decent. Euro, like it. kind of trigger the sell setup. So I mean, 60s. Does that look like on the 1 hour? Daily. Definitely bearish. Yen ain't too strong. Yeah, looking at Euro Yen short. Let's pound yen. See what the pound is strong. We haven't reached this blue box yet for the pound. Where's pound dollar? That's crazy. This can, that's one of the problems you run into when you do like multi-time frame analysis. That's why you gotta be like clearing your strategy, because I see a good sell setup on pound dollar and I see a good long term buy. They kind of two completely different setups. One's kind of more swing, like swing. One's more swing. One's more of an intraday swing. So you kind of gotta differ. Although a stronger hour close down would kind of make me. Let's just look at. Let's wait. Let's wait and see what we get here. If I can get a lower low and lower close, that'd be pretty decent. Let's see. We only got 2 minutes. I want to see what this setup is going to give me. I want to see. My time is it is 9:13. We've been it's about an hour long. I don't want them to be too long. Aussie, setups. Not this Euro Yen short. I'm pretty sure they did a 1-to-1 extension. Of course it did. Of course it did. Pound Aussie, pound cat. New Zealand dollar. Strong. Getting up into that orange box though. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna trust my gut, because my gut's telling me this is gonna get stronger. This is gonna get. I mean, I'm pretty confident this is gonna get stronger. Where we at? That's. So it's a bullish flag. I mean, could we get something like this? Or we tap that, come back up to kind of go to more clear three-way structure? We can. But set up like it's something I wouldn't want to pass on. You know what I mean? take a shot at it. Pound dollar. I am leaning towards this short. Only thing is, you got 44 minutes into this close. I doubt if this video is going to be 44 more minutes. Pound dollars, go to a 15-minute time frame. Again. Yeah, we just need to be a little bit more patient with this, just to kind of give us more of a clear entry. The hour setup is what I'm looking at. I'm gonna mark this for later, just so that I see if I want to do anything else. I'm gonna cut it. I don't want this to be too long, especially just me and myself kind of just rambling on. Let's see. Any other setups before I get off? Let's go look at the currency baskets. Let's look at the yen. So it looks like the yen's gonna get weaker. Definitely see that happening. The euro's already weak. The Swiss isn't too strong. Dang, it's really not. See, I look at this, and what do I see? I see a sell setup. I see a clear sell setup. This is exactly what I see. That's what I see looking at that. Meanwhile, Aussie and New Zealand strong. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stick to my bullish bias on this, y'all. I'm gonna wait for a good entry. See what happens. This is a zone I don't want to cross, though. Alright, I'm looking, so I'm gonna keep not pulling the trigger on none of these, but I'm looking at pound dollars long. Aussie and New Zealand's already kind of played out. Gotta trade what you see, peeps. Trade what you see. This dollar CAD tells me to watch out. I need to better set up on the hour. Looking at that potential dollar CAD short. And then we might, listen, this is how this, even if we break out of this triangle, we can break right up to the 61.8 into this area then. Watch the bottom fall out of it. So that's not a huge move to be, well, me being kind of on the swing side for me to be basing my trades off of. So I think I'm going to stick to this pound dollar long. Look at this dollar CAD short. I like that setup of us just attacking this low. Pound dollar long. I can't find the entry for Aussie and New Zealand long, although those are some pretty strong currencies right now. Yeah, it's gonna be about it, you all. Euro. So I'm really doing. I do believe in pound strength. We're still gonna wait, hold off, and see what we get here. But this video is a bit longer. We didn't get a lot of action in the markets. I only took one trade. Only other trades on my radar. I'm looking at pound dollar, dollar CAD. Pound dollar, dollar CAD. That's just about it. And euro pound still. What about CAD yen? Let's check on CAD yen real quick before we leave. I was looking at a CAD yen long. I was doing that. I think it was on the 15-minute. I do like this structure here, but let's see on the full. Yeah, I can't pull the trigger on it though. Listen. There's 25 pips. One more strong 15-minute close. I'm gonna look at CAD yen long. So that's enough for this video, you all. If you all liked it, like, share, comment, let me know. If I get enough feedback, next one I do tomorrow, I just send out a link so more people can get on. Have a good day. Let's have a good start to this week.